Hello there. Are you looking for ways to embed Google Calendar on your WordPress site using Elementor? Then you are at the right place. In this tutorial, we will show you exactly how to do that using the custom iFrame plugin by Coderz Studio. So let's start. Step 1. Get the Google Calendar link. Open Google Calendar. Click on Book, your demo option. Then, click on Copy Link button. Step 2. Install and activate the custom iFrame plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins. Click on Add New. Search for Custom iFrame by Coderz Studio. A plugin card will show up. Hit Install now and then activate. This plugin can embed PDFs, social posts, Google Docs, videos, audios, web pages, basically anything with a link. Alright, the plugin is live now. Step 3. Add the custom iFrame widget to the page. Go to the page or post where you want your Google Calendar. Click Edit with Elementor. In the widget panel, search Custom iFrame. Drag and drop the widget right into your layout. Step 4. Embed Google Calendar in Elementor. Now, go to the content. Into Source URL field, paste the link. Now, let's customize the widget settings. Set the height and enable lazy load. This will make your embedded Google Calendar load only when someone scrolls to it and it's about to appear on the viewer screen. This will help to improve page speed. Now, scroll down to the advanced settings. Here, you'll find the Sandbox option. Sandbox adds an extra layer of security by letting you control what runs inside the embed, like forms, scripts, pop-ups, and more. And that's just another part of what the custom iFrame Pro plugin is. With the Pro version, you get even more useful features like custom iFrame attributes, advanced embed controls for YouTube, Vimeo, and X posts, custom watermarks, 3D flipbook PDF viewer, device frame display, plus more coming soon. So if you want to customize and need more embed options, the Pro version is absolutely worth it. Want to explore the Pro features and live demos? Just Google customiframe.com and head to the official site for all the details. You'll also find the link in the description if you want to check it out directly. Now let's come back to the topic. In the Style tab, set up the width, background, border, box shadow to match the Google Calendar with your site's design. Finally, click on Publish, and you are done. Your Google Calendar booking is live on your site. Check the captions to get the doc guide and plug in links. That's how embedding Google Calendar is simple with the custom iFrame plugin by Coderz Studio.